In 2025, car detailing isn't just a hustle, it's a six-figure opportunity. But where do you start with no money, no experience, and just a passion for cars? In this video, you can start today. Let's go. Know your why, not just washing cars. Understand the business potential behind detailing. Passion plus niche equals profit. For example, luxury vs off-road detailing. High demand in urban centers like London or New York. Customers want trust and consistency. Choose your business model. Mobile vs shop-based. Mobile, low overhead. Great for suburbs, for example, Melbourne, Austin. Shop-based. More professional, upsell-friendly. Consider hybrid setups. Match lifestyle. Freedom vs scalability. Start small. Stay smart. Begin with basic tools. Bucket, soap, microfiber. Avoid debt. Reinvest slowly. Case studies from small-town USA and Germany. Focus on high ROI services first. Pick a killer name and brand. Use local appeal or prestige. Toronto looks. Detailers check. Calm and social media availability. Brand equals premium pricing. Register your business properly. Check licensing in your city. Insurance equals credibility. EIN or tax ID for banks. Understand your target client. High-end car owners vs fleet contracts. Who pays top dollar? Customize pitch. We restore showroom shine. Invest in core tools and products. Pressure washer, foam cannon, dual action polisher. Eco-friendly soaps equals trend in Nordic countries. Portable water tanks for mobile work. Microfiber towels by bulk. Learn the core services to offer. Interior vacuuming, waxing, paint correction. Add-ons equals profit. Pet hair removal, ceramic coating. Package levels, bronze, gold, platinum. Localize. Rainy UK needs water repellent coatings. Practice before you launch. Offer free low-cost trials to friends. Record before-after clips for promo. Get testimonials in Toronto, Manchester. Law. Build case studies. Price for profit, not panic. Avoid charging too low. Study local competition. Create price tiers. Offer loyalty or discounts, especially in small towns. Promote like a pro. Marketing 101. Local Facebook groups and Google My Business referral incentives. Post transformations daily. Build an online presence. One-page website with booking form. Add booking plugins like Calendly. Reviews equals gold. Google, Yelp. Link. All socials offer premium packages. Paint correction, ceramic coating equals 200 plus. Car pickup drop off equals VIP service partner with dealerships. Germany model upsell protection products. Stay legal. Stay clean. Business license renewal. Local environmental policies. Nordics, UK. Keep daily checklist or logbook. Scale smart. Hire or franchise. Start solo, then hire part-time. Offer training workshops. Franchise your brand, for example, in Australian suburbs. Stay focused. Scale what works. That's how you go from zero to thriving in the car detailing world in 2025. Now, it's your turn. Start small, stay consistent, and scale smart. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more car hustle tips, and comment.